Hey there, GCash users. Are you wondering if you can transfer money from GCash to PayPal easily? Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive into it. First things first, let's talk about the basics. GCash is a mobile wallet that allows you to pay bills, buy load, and even send money to other GCash users. On the other hand, PayPal is a global online payment system that lets you send and receive money and is widely accepted by online merchants. So, can you transfer money directly from GCash to PayPal? The short answer is no. Currently, GCash does not support direct transfers to PayPal. But don't worry, there's a workaround that you can use. Here's how you can do it. First, you'll need to link your GCash account to a bank account. Open the GCash app, go to Bank Transfer, and select your bank. Enter the necessary details and the amount you want to transfer. Confirm the transaction, and the money will be transferred to your bank account. Once the money is in your bank account, log into your PayPal account. Go to Add Money and select your linked bank account. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to your PayPal balance and confirm the transaction. It may take a few days for the money to appear in your PayPal balance, so be patient. And there you have it. While you can't transfer money directly from GCash to PayPal, using your bank account as a bridge makes the process relatively simple. I hope this video helps you manage your funds more effectively. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching and happy transferring.